In this video, we're going to revise the first 10 lessons, and this is the second out of 5 videos that we're going to do. So if you look down here, as before, you can see that we've covered proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed numbers, and we've also looked at how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction and an improper fraction into a mixed number. So for the first 3, I want you to name them and then draw them. For the fourth, I want you to change it from a mixed number into an improper fraction. And for the last one, I want you to change it from an improper fraction into a mixed number. So you can pause the video, give it a go, and then check for the answers. So the first fraction is 4/5. So I'm going to draw my pizza. There's the center. And I'm going to cut it into 5 equal pieces because the denominator or the bottom number is 5. And remember what we said about a fifth. It's like a star jump. So we always start with the head going straight up, and our arms come up here, and our legs come up here. So now we've got 5 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I only want to shade in 4 because the numerator or the top number is 4. So we can pick any 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I've shaded 4/5 of this pizza. The next fraction is 5/4, or some people say 5/4. It's an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So I'm going to draw one pizza. There's the center. And I'm going to cut it into 4 equal pieces. I'm going to cut it into quarters. So what did we say about cutting it into quarters? You halve it, straight down, and you halve it again, straight across. So now I've got 4 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I need 5 pieces because the numerator is 5. So I need to go get another pizza. There's the center. And I need to halve it and halve it again, because I want all my pieces to be quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the top number or the numerator is 5, so I need 5 pieces. So let me start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I can say 5/4 is equivalent to or equal to 1 whole pizza, which is that one, and 1/4. So that's 1 fraction line and 4 at the bottom. So 5/4 is equivalent to 1 and 1/4 of a pizza. The next question is 2 3/4. Now this is a mixed number because you have a whole part and a fraction part. So let's draw the whole part. 1, 2. There's the center. So I've got 2 whole pizzas. Now I'm going to draw the 3/4 of a pizza that I need. There, that's the center. Now because the denominator is 4, I need to cut this into 4 equal pieces. And what did we say about that? You halve the pizza and you halve it again. Now the numerator is 3, so I only need 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. So now I have 2 whole pizzas and 3/4. So what I'm going to do with these two whole pieces is cut them into quarters as well. So I'm going to halve it and halve it again. I'm going to halve it and halve it again. So now I've got quarters in all of the pizzas. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I can say 2 and 3/4 is equivalent to 11/4. So this is our next number, 4 and 2/5. This is a mixed number because you have a whole part and a fraction part, and we want to change it into an improper fraction. So let's put the equal sign and a long fraction line. So remember how we did this. It's the big number times the bottom number. So that is 4 times 5. Add the top number. And this 5, this denominator, stays the same at the bottom. So we can simplify this. There's our fraction line. 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 2 is 22. And then you have the 5 here, which is the denominator. That stays the same. So I can say 4 and 2/5 is equivalent to or equal to 22/5. So now we have this fraction. It's 8/3. It's an improper fraction, and we need to change it into a mixed number. So I have 8 pieces, and I need to put them into groups of 3. So I do my 3 times table until I get to 8. 3, 6, 9. That's too much because I've gone past 8. So I do 3, 6. So that's 2. That's the big number there. I had 8 and I've used 6. So I've got a remainder of 2. So that 2 goes there, and I've got my fraction line. This denominator here simply goes to the bottom there. So now I've got 8/3 is equal to or equivalent to 2 and 2/3.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Pass on to everyone who you think will need this video. Like the video because it helps when you do a search on YouTube. And I'd appreciate any comments or feedback. And to all my subscribers, every bit is appreciated and every bit of feedback is welcome and it keeps me going. Thank you again.